Hello guys, myself Shishpal Gadwal from Sikka, Rajasthan. I have cleared UGC NET June 2020 exams in economic subjects with 63%. I have completed my preparation in almost 75 to 80 days. When I was on leave, the strict lockdown was imposed in since March. So I have intensively utilized the lockdown and prepare for the UGC NET exam for approx 75 to 80 days. I want to tell you that the subject is the content of the economic subject is too vast. So if we want to gather the content from all sources or from each book for each topic, then it is not possible to prepare in short period of time, and we don't have so much time as someone are working professional like me, as I am working in defense forces. So you might not have also so much time to devote to the studies. So Adankel provides you the almost full content from which questions are asked every year. The total content of economic subject and general aptitude is approx 700 to 800 pages, and you can clear or at least read and revise it in at least once in 45 to 50 days. And the next 20 days you have to practice for what you have studied. Adangle provides you a lot of question papers in form of unit solved papers, volume solved papers, model papers, and previous year's question papers. There is too much question papers are available that you can practice intensively. So I suggest you first you get the content, read it and revise it, and along with revision you keep on solving unit solved paper and volume solved papers. When you have completed your economics and general aptitude, then you can go with model solved papers and the previous year's question papers with along with. So I suggest you to complete 50 days. In 50 days, complete all the contents the Adangle provides you, and the next 20 to 25 days solve all the question papers, and you can get and correct this exam too easily. So first make a timetable कि I have to study approx 4 to 5 hours in a day or as possible for you. So stick to that schedule and prepare at least 15 to 20 pages a day and revise it before commencing the next chapter. So your studies should be strategies should be in such a way that whatever you studied today, you have to revise it tomorrow before commencing your new content. So in the same way, whatever you studied in last 6 days, you have to keep reserve a day for the revision of last 6 days content you have studied. So only reading is not enough to crack this exam. Revision is foremost, because economics moves on the concepts basically. So to clear the concept and to get retentivity of that concept, you have to revise again and again. So whatever studies in last day, start preparing for the next day, revise it. After 6 days revise the whole content, and after 1 month revise all the content. So revision is foremost in this preparation and the practice. Adangle provides you a lot of content, as I have already told you. So and also it provides the mentorship, and whenever you face any doubt, you can call and they provide you the specific solution for the problems, and the content is in very lucid language. So you need not to even call to the mentors for each topic or each content. I hardly called 4 to 5 times in my whole duration of preparation. So Adangle provides you a good platform for the preparation of UGC NET exams in economics. So thank you Adangle so much. Thank you so much.